Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray. I wanted to show you one of my pickups. Hey guys, it's Ringmaster Ray, and we're going to bring you the Barber Half Dollar album. So I've almost completed this album, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer it over into a Dansco. So we're going to get that done. I'm going to get this open. I'll be right back. See you in a moment. All right, we're up and ready. Got this open. I took out all the pages out of that other album, and we're going to start getting these moved over. So we're going to start and take the sleeve out there, set it up there so don't lose those. I lost one in another video that I did, and I couldn't figure out what I did with it. So here we go. This is going to be the 1892 Philadelphia. I have the 1892S. I do not have the 1892O as of this point. It is the only one that I do need for my album. And then from there, it's just going to be upgrades. 1893. And these I'm not too worried about touching them. They are just regular circulated coins. Some of these are a little more valuable, like this 1893O, 1892S, 1893S are some of the more valuable coins in here, and the 14 Philadelphia. So we're just going to move along, getting them popped out of this one into a brand new Dansco album. Right, I'm going to slide that sleeve back into place. Pull the next sleeve out. We're going to start with the 94S. Well, this one is done. I got to slide that one in. There we go. 94S. 95. Some of these aren't in too bad of shape. Got a lot of detail still on them. There's some I definitely want to upgrade. I'll show you one here. Like that one I wouldn't mind upgrading. There's definitely one here, the 1896S. I definitely need to upgrade. It is pretty slick, along with this 1896. Oh, it's pretty slick too there. And so that's my job of for this year, is I'm definitely wanting to upgrade these and get this last one put in. Just need to get it purchased. There's the 96, 96O, 96S. You can see in that 96S, it's definitely a slick, but still a 1896S. And we have the 1897. Right, so our very first page is completely transferred over into the Dansco now. Let's move on, because we got a lot of pages to get moving. Next up, we have the 97O, 97S, 98, and so on to the 98O. The 97O is a little slick too. Definitely needs probably an upgrade on that. But when you really think about the weight of these albums, how much silver is in them, just the silver weight and silver content by itself is just mind-blowing. There's the 98 and the 98O. And that will complete this first page. Now roll over to the next. Just a moment, I gotta put that sleeve back in this one, or I forget. Oh no, I haven't yet, because I still got coins to put in it. Losing my mind. Okay. We're gonna start out with the 1898S. 99, 99O, 99S. And take this other plastic sleeve, slide this back in so I don't lose them. I'm gonna have these albums because I really like the Littleton albums also. I just decided that I was gonna go in a different direction instead of just getting the Littleton albums, which I have the most of, and go into the Dansco. So you just kind of grow as a collector in time. Your likes, your dislikes, all that stuff kind of grows. Grab a drink of water, or actually some Mountain Dew. This is the Coin Collector's Ambrosia, the drink of the gods. Aha. I definitely would think that if an ancient Greek, they would have had Mountain Dew. That's definitely what they would have called it. I drink the diet so I don't gain 50 pounds, because I can definitely put on 50 pounds just Mountain Dew weight if I'm drinking regular Mountain Dew. So we're up to 020. We finished all of those in there. There's another one that needs an upgrade, that 010. Now to get to our next batch. And we're going to start out with a 02S. Turn that a little bit. It'll let me. There we go. Went in there a little weird. O30. 04S, or no wait, 03S. Jumping ahead there a little bit. 1904. 1904O. 1904S. The last one of this page is going to be the 1905. I decided to transfer the Danscos. As you can see, the thickness of these albums, I mean, they're nice albums, and you know, they go well on bookshelves and everything else. But if I transfer the Dansco, I will have a lot more space in the area that I keep them. And I'm running out of space, so that's why I decided to go that route. So it will definitely slim down the space, because there are more spots on these here than there are in here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Here you got 5 rows. So it definitely takes up and makes it a little easier. There's the I050, 05S, 06. This is one of the newer ones that I upgraded. A little bit nicer indeed. I think it would be awesome to have an uncirculated Barber half, because I've seen them, you know, and the beauty of the coin is lost when they get slick like this. You know, and even here, there's so much more detail in there when they're just uncirculated. They are expensive to get in high grade. All right, time for our next page. One of the guys in one of the coin shops has never seen a perfect Barber half, and he was wondering what they actually look like. And I showed him, you know, I went online to PCGS, pulled up some of them, and he was just absolutely blown away just how pretty they were and how much, you know, just regular circulated ones lose their detail and lose their beauty. We're up to 07S, 08, 080. Going pretty smooth. Yeah, like my 1907 definitely needs an upgrade. That's a slick. So does the 050. Really what I should do is just take my album into my coin shop and look at and compare the ones that they have. Do upgrades. Like this 08 is not bad at all. You know, the 080. It's got good detail still on it. And so does my 09. My 09 is really, really nice. This way, it doesn't want to come out. There we go. As you can see, very nice coin. That is a higher grade one there. 090. Okay, next in our 09s, 09S, 010, 10S, and 11. We will have completed that page. Now we're to the very back. So now we're at 11D. $11S and 12 and 12D. There we go. Get that to fall in. Put this back. And our last page to work on here. S 13, and my 13 looks like it was probably in a fire at one time. Very dark. 13D and 13S. That one definitely needs upgrade too. So here's the expensive one. If you guys know anything about coins, that is a 14 Philadelphia, very low mintage. You can actually look back here, 14. There was 124,000 of these minted, and that was it. Pretty low mintage for sure. $14S and 15. 15D. And last but not least, we'll get the 15S in. Some dust on it. There we go. Last but not least, the 15. 15S, San Francisco. Well, guys, that is pretty awesome. I'm excited about getting that moved over. Kind of trimline some of my coins down. And getting this almost complete, making it look absolutely Beautiful. Still need the 1892O. That's one of my goals this year. Get that one there and get it completed, and then do some upgrades. All right, guys, if you like these type of videos, please hit that like, subscribe, and I'll bring you more content. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Love you all.